Say girl you fine, I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time, hop on my ride. Got a whip parked outside, got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs, look at that waist, look at them hips, look at that face. Just know that I'm a thug, I ain't going on a date.
Hey guys, so I'm just going to start out by taking my hair out of the previous ponytail that I had it in and parting it with the rat tail comb. Now I'm doing the side part, but you can do a middle part if you would like. And then I'm going to put one half into a ponytail so we can start sleeking the other half. Now I'm going to take my water bottle and dampen my hair just so it's not so dry, so that way it's easier for me to work with it. I'm going to take my Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner and just moisturize my hair because I do want my hair to be moisturized since I'm going to have this style for a couple of days. I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and detangle my hair so that there are no knots. This is so my hair can lay down sleekly, smoothly, without any tangles. We don't want no knots, sis. Now, first off, I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel. This is the Argan Oil one, and I'm going to start slicking my hair down. I'm going to take my damming brush just to smooth out my hair and again get out any knots. Now I'm going to take my Gorilla Snot, and I know we just put gel on it, but this is what's really going to seal the deal because gel can mess up. This is going to make sure your hair stays, your edges stay. So I'm going to apply this, and yes, it's a very gooey consistency. Now I'm going to take my hard bristle brush and really slick my hair down. This is what gives it the shine. This is what really slicks it down. Like, you need this brush for this hairstyle. Yeah, so basically you're just going to do the same thing that you did to the other side. I'm going to dampen it, moisturize it, detangle it, slick it down, all of it. Because I have a widow's peak, I want to try and slick it, like swoop it, so that way my forehead doesn't look that big. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Okay, now once your hair is as slick as you want it to be, you're just going to take a ponytail holder and put your hair into a ponytail. Then you're going to split your hair into two and just simply twist it. After you finish twisting, you're going to want to wrap your hair around itself into a small bun. Get it as small as you can, and then take another ponytail holder to just secure it. Now you're going to want to take a toothbrush or whatever you do your edges with and just simply slick your edges. Like I said, I want to create a little swoop because I have widow's peak, so my forehead looks big. So that's what I'm doing here.
I'll be true. You're the perfect fine, so tell me if you want me to.
After you finish slicking your edges, you're going to take your drawstring ponytail. Mine is the brand Love Light. You can get it from your local beauty supply store, and right now I'm just giving it a refresher. But what you're going to do is make the ponytail bigger by loosening the drawstring. First, you're going to want to secure it at the top with the top clip, and then you're going to secure it at the bottom clip. After you finish doing that, you can use the drawstring to tighten the ponytail. Now you're going to take the drawstring and wrap it around the ponytail just so it can be extra secure, and you're going to bobby pin it. Then this is your finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.